rise of Nazism in Germany. Hitler preached the gospel of victorious sword. He broke the bonds of the Treaty of Versailles broke, and he began to build up Germany's armed forces. He started making. In March 1936, Hitler occupied Rhineland that had been actually by the Treaty of Versailles. Rhineland has been demilitarized, but he took control of it. Then he captured Vienna, the capital of Austria. Soon he turned his attention to Sudetenland. So ek karke he was taking. First Rhineland, Vienna, and then Sudetenland. The war seemed inevitable. The heads of the four nations, Germany, Italy, Britain, and France, met at Munich on 29th September and decided we will hand over Sudetenland to Germany. President of Czechoslovakia was persuaded to accept the Munich Pact. Shanti ke liye you have to take this decision. Hitler's troops occupied Sudetenland on the 5th October 1938. In March 1939, Germany invaded the rest of Czechoslovakia also. Then came the policy of appeasement. The policy of appeasement means acceding to the hostile demands. जो भी बोलेगा हाँ ठीक है मान लो in order to gain some peace. Why Britain and France फिर इतना डर क्यों गया? Why did they follow a policy of appeasement? There were various reasons. Firstly, they believed that the Treaty of Versailles had been too severe, such way to the defeated powers, especially Germany. वो लोग खुद को भी लगा था. It was too difficult for them. Then, secondly, they thought that if genuine grievances of Germany were removed, she would be satisfied and then she won't disturb the peace of the world again. वो लोग को ये समझ में आया था कि अगर जर्मनी को थोड़ा बहुत खुश कर दो तो इतना झमेला नहीं करेगा and the world peace will not be shattered also. They had agreed to the transfer of Sudetenland. बोला ठीक है तुम लोग को जर्मनी को दे दिया the Munich conference में, because Sudetenland was predominantly किंतु inhabited by Germans. So the वो लोग को लगा था so Germans का हक है, they had the right. Thirdly, the Western powers wanted to check the rising tide of communism. ওইদিকে রাশিয়ার power বাড়ছে, and they thought if we are together, the Russians cannot attack us. They wished the communists and the Nazis, तुम लोग आपस में लड़ लो तो we are safe to fight against each other. Hence, they did nothing when Hitler began to rearm Germany in complete violation to the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. उसमें था ही they could not militarize themselves, but they did it. And France and they remained silent. Britain and France remained silent. But they were mistaken in their assessment. भूल समझा था वो. Hitler was really aiming at पूरा Europe का mastery will be in my hands, if not world conquest. The policy of appeasement encouraged Germany, Italy and Japan much more, and they thought they don't have the power. हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Germany's ambition was to conquer Europe. Italy aspired to establish a supremacy in Africa and the Balkans. And Japan's ambition was to become the master of the Pacific Islands and Southeast Asia. Imperialist ambitions of these three countries plunged the world into another destructive war.